On April 7, 1994, FedEx Flight 705, a McDonnell Douglas DC-10 cargo jet ferrying electronics across the United States from Memphis, Tennessee to San Jose, California, experienced an attempted hijacking for the purpose of a suicide attack. Auburn Calloway, a FedEx employee facing possible dismissal for lying about his previous flying experience, boarded the scheduled flight as a deadheading passenger with a guitar case carrying several hammers and a spear gun. He intended to disable the aircraft's cockpit voice recorder before takeoff and once airborne, kill the crew using the blunt force of the hammers so their injuries would appear consistent with an accident rather than a hijacking. The spear gun would be a last resort. He would then crash the aircraft into Federal Express Memphis headquarters, maximizing damage to his employer while appearing to be an employee killed in an accident. This would make his family eligible for a $2.5 million life insurance policy paid by Federal Express. Calloway's plan was unsuccessful. Despite severe wounding, the crew was able to fight back, subdue Calloway and safely land the aircraft. An attempt at a mental health defense was unsuccessful and Calloway was subsequently convicted of multiple charges including attempted murder, attempted air piracy and interference with flight crew operations. He received 2 consecutive life sentences. Calloway's appeal was successful in having his conviction for interference ruled as a lesser-included offense of attempted air piracy. The crew was left with permanent, disabling injuries and have not flown professionally since. The following is the actual air traffic control audio from Federal Express Flight 705.
Aircraft with emergency, go ahead. Aircraft with emergency, say again. Aircraft with emergency, say again.
Express 705. I've been wounded. We've had an attempted takeover on board the airplane. Give me a Victor, please. Back to Memphis at this time. Hurry.
Express 705, flighting 0905, direct Memphis.
Keep me advised, where is Memphis?
Express 705, flighting of 090 and to the airport at 43 miles, 12 o'clock.
Same my direction to Memphis.
Express 705, you're eastbound at this time, and it'll be about 12:30, 1 o'clock.
Look, just keep talking to me, okay? Okay, we need an ambulance and we need armed intervention as well. Alert the airport facility.
Express 705, we have an emergency. He's turning back direct Memphis. He had an attempted takeover. He is wounded at this time.
He's had an attempted takeover?
The affirmative. He's north of Forest City by about 8 miles at this time. He's at 13,000, descending to 10,000.
Okay, radar contact. And you put him on 19-1?
19-1.
Yep. Express 705 Heavy, Memphis out of here. Express 705 Heavy, Memphis out of here.
Memphis, can you hear me?
Is this Express 705 Heavy?
705, yes.
705 Heavy, Memphis, roger. I do hear you. You can proceed direct Memphis if able. Expect runway 9er. The altimeter is 3029er.
You understand we're declaring an emergency. We need security to meet the airplane. We'll stop it on the runway or we can.
Express 705 Heavy, affirmative. All that's been taken care of. Express 705 Heavy, verify situation still under control.
Well, it's sort of under control. I'm coming around to 36 left.
Okay, Express 705 Heavy, runway 36 left. Clear to land. Clear visual approach 36 left. You are clear to land. The wind is 05.